Se fala muito sobre dialogar e sobre o cinema no teatro, mas pouco se faz, eu acho, de prática mesmo. Estou falando de o ator pega a câmera, sabe? O ator pega a câmera, trazer conhecimentos do cinema sobre decupagem, câmera, ângulo de câmera, com pessoas do teatro.
We will have 4 cameras on stage, camera 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can edit live the image that you create. You choreograph a piece that wants to recreate this film that's been cut 60 years ago. So you try to emulate those cuts by sending signal through the iPad on camera 1, maybe we jump on camera B and 3 and 4, and the fact that we can use iPhones, which is super basic.
I think today was a great example of that. Today was the first day that everybody had the camera in their hand, and everybody's a camera operator, no problem at all.